up guys, rksvlogs here. Today this time I'm going to show you one of the best features that our R15 V3 owners are going to get. So I'm going to show you what are the greatest things which I have felt is the best thing I have ever had in this motorcycle. So stay tuned and see what is going to be. So let's get it started. So what actually I'm talking about is the best feature, one of the best feature that a Yamaha motorcycle is giving on this 155cc is its digital instrument cluster. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. It is a very multifunctional digital console, digital odometer, many things, many features. So I'm going to show you right now, so stay tuned on this video. So right now I'm with our ride and I'm going to show you one of the best features of the instrument cluster. And first of all, what I'm going to show you is the startup message which I'm getting whenever I click on the ignition. First is that's a message R15 what I've written, that is what I'm set, and I'm going to show you how to set that. Okay. Other thing I wanted to tell you is the details that are given on the instrument cluster. This one is the odometer, this one is the RPM, this one is the gear in which we are going to shift. Right now it's neutral, so it is showing null here. Yes, that's showing neutral. Okay, this one is our speedometer and this one is our fuel gauge, how much fuels we are having. So starting about the features that are given in our digital cluster. First of all, what right now I'm showing you is the odometer. Yes, how much total kilometers that our ride has traveled. Another thing is the trip 1, you can reset this. Another is trip 2, guys, you are getting 2 trips, means you can reset that. I'm showing you how to reset this. The button besides our reset, the one this is a select and one this is reset. So for pressing the select, let me start from the beginning. This, so right now I briefed you about what are the indications you will be getting on the digital cluster. Now I'm going to show you the different switches that we'll be using to change, modify things. This one at the left is the select button, this one at the right is the reset button. You will be able to change the different trips odometers with the help of the select button. You single press it. Okay, this one is the time, this one is the kilometer per liter, this is average for the kilometer per liter, this one is the average speed, this one is your odometer, means the total kilometers that you have traveled till today. This one is the trip 1, this one is trip 2. I'm going to show you how to reset the trips right now. This is the trip 1, I'll keep it right now. I will not going to change, I will going to change the trip 2. Only by pressing the reset button you are going to get it 00. Yes, it's so easy, just press it. Now after pressing this select button, I'm going to turn on the ignition. That's what you can see on the display. This actually it is for the brightness level. I'm going to press the reset button. It's 1. Again press reset. Now going to get 2, means the brightness is increased. Simultaneously we have 3, 4, 5 6, total 6 numbers of brightness levels which you can vary. Then again press the select button. What you getting is a blinker. Now there are various blinkers. This one, now I'm going to press the reset. There is another blinking. This is a constant one. I'm going to set this one because where it will be used I'm going to show you. Now again press the select button. This is the RPM. We are going to set the lower RPM range. Okay, so you can increase with the help of the select button. It's full 13,000 RPM, and then it will be the starting RPM, means 9,000 will be the lower RPM when our blinker will start. I will be keeping it on 10,000 as the lower RPM. Now we are going to press the left button in order to go for the highest RPM. This I'm going to keep it on 12,500 RPM. Again, now press the left button to move forward, and it's done. Now we are going to press the select button and turn the ignition on. Now we are going to turn off. We are going to press the reset button and turn on the ignition. That is the message you're going to see. This is the welcome message whenever you turn on the ignition switch. It is a 6-digit letter which you can type here. First of all, press the left, that is a select button. This is how you will be able to change the digits, whatever the alphabet or the number you like to enter. You can write it down. Right now I'm going to keep the first letter blank because I need to keep it a R15. Okay, let's go for another name. I will be showing you for an example. I'm about to write Rocky, so I'll be pressing the reset button and going to stop until I get the R. So I just got the R. Now I'm going to hard press the reset button, so I'll move forward to the second letter. Yes, it's on. So I'm going to go for the O. Pressing the left, you will be able to move forward, and pressing the right, you will be able to move back. Means, see, right now I'm pressing right button. It's showing Q, P. Means it is going backwards. Now I'm going to hard press the reset button. RO. Now I'm going for the C. So I'll be going further. After completing the numbers, ABCD will start. So right now I am pressing the left button. C is here. Hard press the right. Going for the K. E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Sorry for that. but this is how K looks here. Now for the Y, so I'll be going backwards so I can reach easily to the Y. Yeah, that's our Rocky. This sixth letter, I'll keep it blank right now. Hard press the right button. So that's an OK, and this will be your startup welcome message. Now I'm going to show you another feature. Press the left button, it will be showing you the kilometers per liter. This is a real time kilometers per liter, means at the time of driving you'll be able to see how much average it will be showing. This is a real time, means it will be visible only at the time when you're riding. This is the average kilometer per liter. What will be the average kilometer per liter? This is the average speed at which till date you're driven. This is the odometer, the total number of kilometers that you traveled. This one is the trip 1. This is trip 2. I'll just reset right now. You can reset it by pressing the reset button to 0. This is the time. What is the real time right now? Means right now it's 9:17. See, it shows Rocky in the beginning. Last but not the least, what you can see right now is the time. Now you'll be thinking whether the time when you got your ride is real or not. So what if you are able to change or you won't be able to? So it's very easy. The time right now indicated is the right one only, which I have reset. What you need to do is just press both the buttons. See, the first means the hour will be blinking. Now with the help of reset button you can increase, with the help of left button you can decrease. See, I've changed, but again I'll make it the real time. So double press with the buttons. First it will be showing the hour number, which actually is 9, and again going for the minutes, it's 9:22. So I'll be again increasing and making it 9:22. I'm simply pressing the right button many times until I reach the minutes I want. So I just set. Now press the left button, that is the select button, and you're good to go. Again turning off the switch, CEO, turning on the switch, startup message, Rocky, odometer, blinkers on. See, one thing I forgot to tell you is the lower RPM and the higher RPM range. You will be thinking why they are given this function. See, basically it is given for the reason that at the higher RPM range, means the lower to higher RPM range, if you want you will be able to know by the blink, and you don't need to see the instrument cluster, means the RPM range. It is beyond the limit, so you need to change the gear. That basically is given for that reason only, and there is no other reason why it is given up. So that's it for this. I hope you guys like the video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, queries, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you. rksvlogs and off. Bye bye, see you.